I all welcome to the third section of our training and tutorial on SAP S/4HANA Simple Finance. So now in this video we're gonna be looking at company code, creating a company ID. We're going to be creating a company code and also assign it to the company ID. So what is a company code? A company code is a legal entity and is required by law and is used to generate financial statements such as profit and loss and balance sheets. That organization, purchasing organization and sales organization are assigned to company. So in this training video we're going to be creating a company ID, creating a company code and assigning to company ID. So by creating a company code we're going to be defining our company code by copying from our predefined company code on the SAP. So now we're going to log back on to our S/4HANA database, back onto easy access. So what we want to do here is to enter in the search space SPR, remember, to get to our IMG interface. So what we want to do here is to click on SAP reference IMG. Then also we want to come to enterprise structure, then click on definition, financial accounting. Then also we want to come to edit, copy, delete, check company code. So what we want to do is to check company code. So at this stage we're going to, as I've said earlier on, that in this training video, for us to create our own company code we need to copy from a source company code, which includes all the data and global parameters from the source company code to the new company code. So now we're going to copy, click on the copy organization object. So from the source company code, so we're creating our company code from a source company code, so we can look up a predefined company code. Let's take this for an example: 3301 SAP AG. We're looking for, however, our company is located in the UK, so it's very important for us to copy from a source company code that's located in the UK as well. So now we are using company code 002 to our own company code. So what is our new company code that we want to create? Now we're going to make sure that we define a 4-character ID for our company code. The maximum is 4 characters ID. So to be safer is better than to be sorry. So I will always advise people to create 4 characters ID so that they can easily remember, so that they won't forget. You get what I mean? So so now we're going to create a 4-character ID. I'm going to suggest Reptel. I'm gonna REBT or REBL. So we're going to click on continue. Do you want to copy the assignment to the controlled area as well? So we keep on, we say no. We get them back. Do you want to allocate different local currency to your target? We say yes. So our currency remain GBP. We click on continue. We click on continue. So all the profits and loss, all the data are all set there. So we click on continue. Number ranges, we click on yes because we're copying all the global parameters from the source company code to the new company code. We click on yes as well. So whenever you are creating, you're trying to create your own company code. So whenever you come across, just remember that it's not a biggie, it's not a big deal. It's all the system is trying to copy all the information and parameters from the source company to the new company code. So you have a choice to refuse some information, some data, and you have a choice to click on yes, so that those parameters can be copied to your new company code. So you have the options. So that's all the message that are popping out on our screen. That's the whole purpose. Is requesting for us an option for us to continue to copy all the parameters, all the information to our new company code. So you have the option to say no, that later you will update the record. So now what we just do is to create our a company code by copying method. So what we just do is to create a company code by copy method. So now, so we click on, so what's the company code we just created? We just created a company code REBL. That's how the name of our company code. 4 characters, I don't remember, we said that. Then we click on save. Click on enter and we say continue. Ignore all those pop-up messages. It's just reminding us that we've transported number ranges as well to our new company code. So you click on enter, you click on enter, you click on enter. So now the intervals as well. So you say yes. Yeah. So now what the system is asking is for whether to transport all the number ranges to our new company code as well, which I clicked yes as well. However, we still have the option in the future to create our own intervals. So now what we just do is to copy source intervals to new company code. So now we just customize our request. We just copy our source intervals, the number ranges to a new company code. However, remember that we have the option to click on no on request. We have the option to click on no on request that we don't want our the source code number ranges to be transformed. The number ranges are useful for customer vendor data. So now and for account group as well. So we have the option to refuse to click on no, that we don't want this data to be copied to our new company code. We have our own number ranges to insert into our new company code. So it's very important for us to know that. So we have the option, so it's not compulsory that we click yes on every pop-up messages. So we click and continue. So now what we've just done is to copy a company code 002 to our new company code REBL, which is Reptel UK Limited. It's all done. So now what we want to do, we click on cancel. So now we want to check the company code we just created, REBL, just for us to be sure. You see, that's REBL. This is REBL. This is REBL that's just been so. However, so what we're going to do here is to edit. So now we just we've just created a new we've just created copied data from the previous company code to a new company code, this is the company code. So what we just did is to create a company code. So however, we have the option to edit all the information on the company name, because obviously we just copied all the information from the source company code. So now it's left for us to edit all the global parameters. So now, thanks for this video. Our next tutorial, we're going to focus on creating a company ID. The company ID, we're going to edit all the information that we got from our predefined company code. Then we can also move on to assigning it to our company code. Thanks for staying tuned to this training video. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks, and see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.